To install the Hookdeck CLI on Linux without a package manager, we will download the latest tarball from the Hookdeck CLI GitHub repo. Under the Releases page, you'll see a tar.gz file for Linux. Right-click and copy the link. In your Linux terminal, you will execute curl with the uppercase L flag to follow redirects and the lowercase o flag to specify the output file name. Once the file is downloaded, you can extract the Hookdeck CLI using tar with the X flag to extract, the Z flag to uncompress with gzip, and the F flag to specify the file name. You can list the contents of the directory to confirm the binary was extracted and try running the command. You can execute the binary from the current location, or you can move it to a directory that is on your path, such as user local bin. I'll change to the temp directory and execute the binary command just to confirm the Hookdeck CLI is available on my path.